We came over to look at NatureWalk and toured the models, and then went back to the sales center, and
she nudged me on the shoulder and said, what do you think? I said, let's do it. Melinda calls it her Goldilocks house. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right.
That's right. When I came into this home, it just had the perfect feel. I don't know who designed this floor plan, but someday I hope I get to meet them and say thank you. This is the perfect place for people at our point in life.
I kind of feel like if we went back now and looked at the plans and specifications and the drawings up somewhere on there, it should say for the home of Phil and Melinda Edwards. It just feels like it was just built for us.
I would say, yeah, it had our name on it. It really did. We're Phil and Melinda Edwards, and we have a beautiful home at NatureWalk at Watersound Origins.